Hi, if you asked anybody about the harms of popping pimples, the majority would be well aware of the harmful effect it causes to the skin and body. So why does the majority still do it anyway? And what makes it quite irresistible to pop? Before we start, we hope you push the like and subscribe for more weekly videos and the notification button, so you don't miss any other video. Believe it or not, pimple popping videos are becoming increasingly popular on prominent social media platforms, gathering hundreds of thousands or even millions of views. Take Dr. Sandra Lee as a prime example. The dermatologist has a following of more than 4.7 million followers who can't get enough of watching her drain blackheads, pimples, cysts, and more. Her YouTube channel, which also boasts more than 8.5 million subscribers, depicts the extractions in even more gory detail. Why are people so fascinated with Dr. Lee's videos? For those of us who have acne, keeping our hands off our zits is often easier said than done. After all, the urge to pick isn't just personal, it's biological. Like other animals, human beings have an instinct to groom, which means an instinct to do away with anything that doesn't belong on our skin. The result of that grooming? A rush of dopamine and a sense of satisfaction post-picking. No wonder we're often not satisfied with just getting an acne facial. When we pick pimples ourselves, we get a feel-good rush of endorphins that doesn't accompany the more impersonal and more responsible alternative. Although watching videos is arguably even less personal, there's something satisfying about watching other people have these imperfections removed. Sure, popping pimples can be fun, but it can also cause infections, worsen breakouts, and leave permanent scars on your skin. Even if you're careful, popping zits at home does your skin more harm than good. Like watching Dr. Lee's videos? Great. Get your daily dose of pimple popping online, rather than picking at your face. If you simply can't resist the allure of popping your zits, talk to a dermatologist before attempting any at-home extractions. That is all for this video, and if you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment and have a great rest of your day.